What would you sacrifice for one big win? What price are you willing to pay when the markets whisper, go all in? Today, I'm taking you on a journey through fear, regret, and ultimately rebirth. This isn't a pep talk, no. It's a challenge to rise. Fear, that loyal enemy, is the first gate. It says, hold back. It says, what if you fail? But the greatest among us, they didn't walk past fear, they walked through it. Not with absence of doubt, but with fire in their bones. They made decisions when others hesitated. They acted when others talked. Comfort will sell you safety, but greatness? Greatness demands pain, risk, and exposure. Fear isn't your enemy, it's your compass. The moment you feel its grip, that's when you know you're close to transformation. So move in spite of it. Every step into fear is a brick laid for your legacy. Regret, that quiet poison, is next. It's not loud, it's not wild, it's subtle. It's the haunting of missed moments, deals you didn't make, the call you didn't return, the idea you buried under insecurity. But regret can be a teacher. It can be the mirror that shows you where you shrunk, where you settled. So listen to its lesson and decide, never again. You cannot rewrite yesterday, but you can rebuild tomorrow with the clarity regret gives you. You don't run from it, you use it. And then rebirth, the glorious grind. Rebirth isn't instant, it isn't glamorous. It's you in solitude, studying while they sleep, building while they party. It's choosing progress when no one claps. Each morning you wake and decide, do I become more or stay the same? Rebirth means discipline, unsexy, uncelebrated discipline. Showing up when motivation left, making moves when the market stalls. It's the early morning reps, the emails no one answers, the ideas people laugh at until they work. Discipline is your currency, consistency is your profit, and belief is your edge. You don't need the world's permission to believe. You just need your own. Say it loud. Say it alone. Say it when it makes no sense. I am the storm. I am built for this. I don't ask for space. I take it. Because belief is louder than doubt. It fuels your momentum when analytics lie. It sharpens your focus when failure stings. When you believe, you fight differently. You move with intention. You walk through walls. But hear me, success that ends with you is a limited win. Impact is the multiplier. Share knowledge, open doors, build ladders for others. Use your wins to write a playbook. When you elevate others, your legacy becomes undeniable. Wealth fades, reputation shifts, but impact, it echoes. It reverberates through time. So I'll ask you one final time. What would you sacrifice for one big win? What price are you willing to pay when the markets whisper, go all in? Will you stay quiet or roar with action? Will you be haunted or reborn? This is your moment. No retreat, no delay, no excuses. It's time to rise. Go make history.